Hi guys, 11:32 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family and friends sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your week? Tomorrow, Saturday, maybe some of you may pasok, some of you naghahabol ng kota, and maybe some of you will just be sa bahay lang and then mellow down for the weekend, or maybe somewhere out there mamamasyal or have your troubles or personal or business or family troubles. Of course, iba't iba po ano. And let's not get distracted with all the of course, there's a lot of topic. Well, we know what's the topic is, pro and cons like I mentioned earlier, but this is more of a journey into you. Ikaw po. So let them, ikaw naman. We do this sharing, manifesting no po of what to do. And siyempre po, expectation tomorrow. Okay, let's start. BFF. Saturday, March 15. Kalahati ng March, oh. Bilis. It's called the Water Goat Enters the Stable Auspicious Day. Pwede sa, ano bang pwede po tomorrow, Kuya Norman? Debt collection, groundbreaking, magpakasal, meeting friends, networking, prayers and worshiping, putting off roof beams, renovation, signing contracts and agreements, trading, all good for tomorrow except disengage or dissolve an arrangement. So, hindi po pwede tomorrow. Okay, animal signs. Animal signs, rat is average, ox is not so good, a tiger is average, rabbit is best, average din po ang dragon, not so good for the snake, best si goat and horse, average si monkey, not so good si rooster, average si dog, and best for the pig. Okay, yan na po. And then earlier, ako po ay nag-post about the game changer being the South. So I'll explain po bakit naging South ang game changer. Okay, let us see. Check po natin. Says here, the game changer po, 7 stars. If you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome through digital platform, through sales and marketing, may binebenta ka, may deals ka, and you want to be the most beautiful and handsome person of all, with the Jade Maiden watching the door, with the magic po, magic structure, with the absolute power, with the environment favoring you, with the inspiration po needed to be able to close this deal or to make this happen, talikod ka sa South. BFF, 7 stars to. Lakas. Making amends, I would also use back into South, BFF. Creating an opportunity, Northwest naman po. So Northwest means dapat systematic yung opportunity yung gusto mo, define, clear, merong research and development po, no R&D po involved with that opportunity that you want. Having naman po, if you want po good health, it's backing to North. Okay, here you should communicate well or clearly with your medical practitioner, whether it's an Eastern medicine or Western medicine. You can also attract high caliber people or a high quality doctor. Pwede po ito, backing to North. Ay, ito Kuyang Melvin, Brother Junior Warden. Magandang gabi po sa iyo. And also if you want to attract cash, cold cash, talikod ka po sa North. Anything to do with finances, anything to do with resources, kailangan mo po ng puhunan, kailangan mo po ng investment that you want to push through. You want to put an end to old habits, to bad attitudes, to bad thinking. Ayan po, talikod ka naman sa Northeast. Oh, wow, ang dami. But if I were you, BFF, I'll be using South backing. Why? South backing, in 7 stars. You can ask for inspiration. You can 10x being beautiful and handsome. May Jade Maiden watching the door. May magic. May absolute power. And also the ability that the environment favors you. Ang dami, BFF. 7 stars pa nga po. Kuya Melvin, Brother Junior Warden, use this. Back in the South starting now until 10:59 p.m. the next day. Okay, samahan na rin natin. Samahan na rin natin ng Green Dragon, Jade Maiden, and Flying Bird. Meron po ba on a 15th? Okay, ito po. 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. talikod sa west, Jade Maiden watching the door. 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, nakatalikod ka naman sa northeast. 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. Flying Bird fall into cave wherein blessing comes to you, nakatalikod naman sa north. Okay, first timers, nakaupo. Pwedeng upuan pong ganito. Check your backing sa time na yon, or whole day ka, south ka. So, again, you should always let go of your unnecessary baggages, bad people, bad experiences, lost opportunities, lost circumstances, everything that is negative, let go. 2, open up. Open up ka naman. Open up ka sa mga taong pwedeng tumulong sa'yo. I-specify mo sila kung sino-sino yung mga yan. Anong tulong ang nais mong ibigay sa'yo. Ano pong opportunity sa gusto mong bumalik sa'yo na magkaroon ka ulit to grow your money financially or good health. 3, magpasalamat ka sa taas. Give thanks. 4, mag-ask ka specifically kung ano-ano ba ang mga gusto mo. In terms of health tayo muna, health. Ano bang gusto mo sa health mo? Magpapa-blood game ka tomorrow or the next week or next day. Gusto mo maging normal ang creatinine mo ba? Cholesterol, triglyceride, blood sugar. Specific. Or pwede po sa relationship. So, you want to foster a good relationship, a harmonious relationship, a loving relationship, yun po. And of course, yung wealth, finances. How much ba gusto mong kitain this week, this month? If you're in a business, pag ahente ka po, if you want to sell something na hindi mabenta-benta, of course you can. Hi, Kuyang Aya Ariel. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Aya Ariel. Good evening. Yes. Thank you for watching, mga kapalanyag, BFF. Thanks for watching. And of course, congratulations to the elected and appointed officers of Palanyag Lodge, my mother lodge, last Friday. At sa mga brethren din po that there had, nagkaroon na po ng kanyang instalasyon, worshipful sirs, brethren, congrats po sa inyong lahat. Travel well po, mga BFF. O yun, no? So thank you mga Kuyang Melvin, and Kuyang Ariel, thank you for watching at this, late na. Okay. Nanood na ba kayo nung ating paborito? Anong episode na ba kayo? Okay. So, yun po BFF health, wealth, happiness, kayo po muna, your journey po, ikaw muna po. And then if everything falls, if everything aligns for you, that's the time po you include other people. Okay? Clear po tayo dyan. But again, BFF, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Salamat po for being there for me, for the prayers po that at least yung mga blood chem ko po is good, it's well. Thank you Lord, salamat po. Yung dati ko pong gamutan ngayon, konti na lang. Opo. From ang dami ko po dating mga iniinom, ngayon po 3 na lang po. Thank you Lord, salamat naman po. Ano po. Wow, thank you. So again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. For we don't know if the person na nakikinig ngayon or the person na kamag-anak nyo po, kaibigan, kabrad, kapatid is having the challenges po ngayon sa buhay nila. You know, kilala nyo po sila, we should always also pray for them, BFF. After you manifest, after you align po, please find time to pray for other people. Your family, your friends, your mga brad. Don't forget. And then let's also pray for our leaders. No, very important, BFF. Let us also pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. In a grateful heart, maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless! Good night. Happy weekend. Kuyang Ariel, Kuyang Melvin. Happy weekend sa inyo. Sa BFF. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Happy Saturday. Thank you.